I like trains.
Hello everyone, I'm here at Reichs Ford Road. We got a eastbound. Next freight, M412. 2 CM44s for power. They were really booking it. No clue what it has, but the fall colors are definitely alive and well here. Got some loaded center beams. Looks like we have a few box cars coming up. Hopefully the rolling stock is pretty good. Train's about to honk its horn at Ijamsville Mustard Road right down the corner. Lots of center beams on this train, and now we got some. Oh wow. That's old. The Redskins winning the Super Bowl, that was like 1991, and now they're obviously not the Redskins anymore. And now it's honking at the other crossings. Ooh. These are, I believe, former Southern. I could be wrong though. Or GATX. Lots of box cars on this Ford 12. Train's going about 20-ish, 25 miles an hour. Now we got some reefers. Lots of graffiti. But the rolling stock so far has been very basic. But the lighting is not bad here. If I stood on the other side, it would have been terrible. Oh, we got some loaded, I believe loaded coal hoppers, maybe empty. Yeah, those look empty. Oh, wow. Maryland Midland cars. Gondolas. Oh, here comes the end. Thank you for watching, and here from Reichs Ford Road crossing the Old Main. This is the Old Main guy signing off, and everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.